Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi viewers, Khuram Janjua here, and once again welcome you to the Khuram Janjua official, as I have shared the videos on the 5 alternative, and this is the part 4, and I have brought the very selective words which you normally use in your writing and speaking. And today the word is very big, and there are 5 alternatives. The first one is vast. Russia is a vast country. Vast is a synonym of very big. The next one is gigantic. I want a gigantic cake for my birthday so all my friends can have a piece. The third one is humongous. Humongous. Don't go in the bathroom. There is a humongous spider in there. The fourth one is whooping great. I have just caught a whooping great fish. And the fifth one is massive. She's just bought a massive truck. I don't know how she is going to park it anywhere. The go for the next word is then. We can use the alternative words for then. Following that, after the performance, the judge will meet. Following that, they'll announce the winner. Second one is next. Mix the flour and eggs. Next, add the sugar and finally stir in cocoa. After that, turn left, then turn right. After that, you will see a roundabout. The hospital is there. Subsequently, the product failed safely test. Subsequently, it was recalled. And the fifth one is thereupon. The shooters surrendered. The police thereupon arrested him. Go to the next word is saying no. Saying no means absolutely not. Absolutely not, as you are very much familiar with the word that Imran Khan, told this word to the Americans. Absolutely not. That's it is in vogue nowadays, you all know. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'll not lend you my car. Not on your life. Am I going to tell the boss he is wrong? Not on your life. The third one is no way am I going to run marathon, but I'm happy to watch you. The fourth one is not in a million years. No way will I marry her. Not in a million years. And the fifth one is no way, Josie. Me go for the dinner with you. No way, Josie. The next word is angry. There are 5 alternatives for the word angry. The first one is cross. Please don't get cross with me. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. Second one is fumming. Of course, I'm fumming. I flew first class and the airline lost my luggage. The third one is enraged. My neighbor is enraged at our noisy parties and we'd better stop them for a while. The fourth one is furious. I broke my sister's computer and she is furious. The fifth one is see red. If I don't finish this report soon, my boss will see red. Go for the next one. And the last one is scared. And the 5th phononyms are freaked out. I freaked out when I heard our dog howling in the garden. Second one, spooked. I was spooked by someone walking behind me on the way home last night. And the next one is creeped out. I felt creeped out by being alone in the house all night. And the fourth one is petrified. My mom's petrified of spider. And the fifth one is quaking in my boots. I was quaking in my boots as I stood waiting to ride the roller coaster. Hopefully you have got the ideas of the new alternative words. As usual, my message is same. Utilize this word in your speaking and writing practice and make your writing and speaking more perfect and very interesting. Take a great care of yourself. Subscribe my channel for more videos. All the best.